We need to empower the soul through yoga, connecting with the Supreme Soul Paramatma, staying in soul conscious awareness. We have to save the whole world by spreading vibrations of supreme peace. If we don't save the whole world, there will be a third world war, and its result, you can't even know. Because after the four yugas, Satya, Treta, Dwapara, Kali, complete, there's a semi-dissolution, Earth Pralay. Then after 71 such semi-dissolutions, a complete dissolution of the earth happens, which is called a Manvantara. When Manu and Satarupa, the parents of human creation, complete their time, that's called a Manvantara. After 14 such Manvantaras, a Kalpa Pralay occurs. A Kalpa Pralay means that where Brahma resides, in Brahmapuri, it's only one day. In one day of Brahma, 1000 Chaturyugas pass on earth. One Chaturyuga equals Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, Kali Yuga. So 1000 such Chaturyugas, and Kali Yuga's age is 4.32 lakh years. Dwapara is 2 times that, Treta is 3 times, Satya is 4 times. So we must have an understanding of time. Kal Chakra. Kal means time. The wheel of time keeps turning. So these Ardh Pralay, Pralay, Kalpa Pralay, Mahakalpa Pralay, Mahakal Pralay, meaning Mahashiv becomes Mahakal and absorbs infinite universes into every pore of his being. Galaxies have infinite solar systems, and the universe has infinite galaxies, infinite worlds. Science has theories, multiverse, universe, parallel universe, so tally the knowledge of science and scriptures. The scriptures have complete knowledge of infinite universes. One universe, solar system, has Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar. Similarly, infinite universes have infinite Brahmas, Vishnus, Shankars. The Maha Adi Shakti runs the galaxy. When knowledge comes, you'll understand that this is the world of death, Mrityu Lok. We've been trapped in the cycle of birth and death here. Now we need to become Karmatit. To become Karmatit, we have to become Bhavatit, beyond emotions, go beyond emotions. When vast knowledge comes, the mind, intellect and sanskaras, tendencies change. The mind gets absorbed in soul consciousness. The mind connects with the Supreme Soul, and by constantly becoming a karma yogi, negative karmas are destroyed. Power comes into the causal body. All recorded karmas in the causal body are destroyed. The subtle body changes. The aura changes. The aura becomes completely neat and clean. Thoughts gain power. The soul's power spreads vibrations of supreme peace through thoughts. And your home fills with supreme peace, your aura fills with supreme peace, your home fills with supreme peace. First, inside your home, all around, vibrations of supreme peace will spread, and everyone living in the home will receive supreme peace. And vibrations of supreme peace will spread all around. As the soul's power keeps increasing through the power of yoga, those vibrations will spread.